Welcome to the activity Play-Doh Play. This concept is about learning shapes. It is aimed at children around the age of 4 years old and focuses on the outcome. Number 4, Children are Confident and Involved Learners, DET 2019, as well as Outcome 5, Children are Effective Communicators, DET 2019. The activity Creating Shapes with Play-Doh. This activity can take place in an outside or inside environment depending on the weather. The educator will need to have a range of shapes available for the children. It is also recommended to have multiple colours of Play-Doh available for children to use to help identify different shapes. In addition, I suggest multiple colours and shape cutters are available per child. As children are cutting the shapes, educator can use prompters and questions whilst in play. What shapes are you cutting, Sophie? How many squares have you cut, Sunny? Has anyone cut a circle? Play-Doh is also a helpful tool as it allows children to redo and recreate shapes and items. It is also quite malleable, so it can help that children can then roll out a shape if they don't get it exactly the way that they'd like it. The educator also might suggest ways of joining shapes. Like what happens if you joined a square and a triangle? Although there is still some interaction between the educator and the children, you're still allowing them to play quite independently by just guiding them. The activity Play-Doh Play allows children to explore the different dimensions of shapes and create their own shapes and stories. The act focuses on the early childhood Years Learning Framework Outcome Number 4, Children are Confident and Involved Learners, DET 2019, where children use exploration, collaboration, and problem-solving in learning, DET 2019. Outcome 4 also focuses on the process of play and investigation to solve problems they are faced with, DET 2019, in addition to using imagination, creativity, and play. This links back as the children can investigate as they play to what different shapes they can make by using different collaborations, as well as just the process of cutting out the shapes, as well as counting. The educator may question as well, how many squares can you make? Can you join any shapes together to make another shape, such as a diamond? This also focuses on Outcome 5, Children are Effective Communicators. Outcome 5 focuses on literacy and numeracy capabilities achieved through communication, DET 2019. The DET describes numeracy as capacity, confidence, and disposition to use mathematics in daily life, DET 2019, page 41. Outcome 5 focuses on interactions verbally and non-verbally. They contribute ideas and experiences in play in small and large groups. Students demonstrate a higher understanding of measurement and numbers using vocab, describe size, length, volume, capacity, and names of numbers, DET 2019, page 43. This is displayed in the Play-Doh setting play as the children vocalize their activity and display their creativity as they play simultaneously and also interact with each other and the educator. Researchers have developed different approaches to how children learn. Theorists such as Piaget refer to the ages of 2 to 7 as pre-operational stage, where they are reliant on their senses and physical exploration. Charlesworth and Lynn, 2013. Vygotsky focuses on the need for effective communication between the more experienced adult and children to effectively develop cognitively. Charlesworth and Lynn, 2013. Piaget and Vygotsky both viewed children as active learners in their development. Charlesworth and Lynn, 2013. In the activity, this is where the educator's role is vital in prompting and using effective scaffolding methods to assist students. Department of Education, Training and Employment, no date. That's a hexagon. How many sides does it have, Sam? Wow, 6. Let's count them together. This is also relates to the pedagogical framework. Extensive research has also displayed the need for maths to be incorporated in early childhood curriculum, Fox 2007. As mathematical development occurs in early years, critical to success and achievement in school and life pursuits, Fox 2007. Research has supported Paget and Vygotsky's view of a child's ability to learn mathematical skills prior to formal schooling education. Therefore, there is a need to integrate this into early childhood learning, Fox 2007. Children develop their math skills from high quality, challenging and accessible mathematics education for 3 to 6-year-olds is vital to the future for mathematical learning, Fox 2007. Thank you.